This is the interior move-in condition report for 961 Yachtsman Way on Thursday, May 10th, 2018. In the front here, we will begin with the living room area. The walls are undamaged. The floors do have a few small red stains. The windows, we'll start over here to the left of the fireplace. The window on the left here has both an undamaged screen and undamaged horizontal blind. The window right here is missing a screen, but does have the provided undamaged horizontal blind. Window to the right of the fireplace has an undamaged screen and undamaged horizontal blind. The back sliding glass door has an accompanying undamaged screen door, as well as vertical blinds. There is one blind that has a tear in it right here. The fireplace shows definite signs of wear, but is undamaged and has been cleaned. Same thing with the hearth and the mantle. Signs of wear, but no major damage. Coming into the kitchen area, the walls are undamaged. The ceiling fan light fixture is operable. The windows, all three windows have undamaged screens and undamaged horizontal blinds. The cabinets and the countertops are undamaged. Dishwasher is undamaged. The sink is operable, as is the garbage disposal. The microwave is undamaged. The stovetop does have one mark there, burn mark. Interior of the oven is undamaged. The freezer is undamaged. Fridge is undamaged as well. And the tiled floor. With the tiled floor, you have 2 cracked tiles here, 2 additional, so 4 in total. This one has a small crack as well. It's not really a whole tile though. There are also a few tiles that have larger chips in them, namely this one being the largest, smaller one here. One more here. One more here. So that's 4 in total. And then this small mark as well. So about 5. This is the laundry area. The walls have a couple scuff marks on them, some provided shelving here. The laminate flooring, again, a couple marks on it. Both the washer and the dryer are undamaged. The downstairs full bathroom here. The tub itself is not damaged. There is one cracked tile above it though. The toilet is undamaged. The sink does have some marks by the drain there, scratches, marks. The tiled floor is undamaged. The walls are undamaged as well. Coming into the downstairs bedroom, the ceiling fan is operable. The walls are undamaged. The windows each window has a undamaged horizontal blind. This window in the center, as well as this window facing the side of the house, do not have screens. However, window on the left facing the front, window facing the right on the front do have undamaged screens. The vinyl wood floor is undamaged. One other thing that I actually forgot to point out, in the laundry room, HVAC system is in here. HVAC filter is marked for you. It's a 20 by 20 air filter. Just has these little knobs that twist off. We recommend checking the air filter monthly and replacing it as needed. Coming upstairs to the loft area, the walls are undamaged. Ceiling fan is operable. The carpeted floors do have a few stains. The window has an undamaged horizontal blind but does not have a screen. There are also 6 additional blinds, ranging in size, in the loft area. There's no glass or anything, it's just the blinds. Coming into the master bedroom area, the walls are undamaged. The window facing the side of the house does not have a screen. The windows facing the front do both have screens. For both sets of blinds, the one facing the front in particular, you can see where the paint is kind of worn down on the blinds. The same thing holds true to this one to a lesser extent. Really just the one in the front. This one's actually in pretty good shape, apart from that spot there. The carpeted floors are undamaged. Ceiling fan is operable. And heading into the master bathroom, same thing as the one downstairs. The tub is undamaged. The same tile as the one downstairs has a crack in it. The rest of the tiled shower portion is undamaged. The sink is undamaged. The toilet is undamaged. The tiled floor has a few cracked tiles. The walls are undamaged. This goes to the moonlight here. If you'd like to bring the blind down. This concludes the interior moving condition report for 961 Yachtsman Way on Thursday, May 9th, 2018.